And here they come as they cross the wires. Susan, what do we see?
All in all, strong quarter. Let's get through it. Profit beating 73 cents for the quarter. Analysts were calling for 70 cents. A beat also when it comes to sales. 64.7 billion is what they made in those 3 months. Analysts were penciling in something closer to 63.7. Now, they saw an all-time record in the September quarter for Mac sales and services. Let's take you through the segments. iPhones came in at 26.44 billion, slightly less than anticipated for the quarter. Analysts were calling for 27.93 billion when it comes to iPhone revenue. iPad, a beat here, 6.797 billion, higher than analyst forecasts, calling for something a little bit over 6 billion. Mac, here you go. Take a look at this record number for Mac sales, 9 billion. And that's the work from home, educate from home trend that's helping Mac sales. Again, record quarter for Mac sales. Analysts were calling for something closer and under 8 billion. Now, wearables, again, this is a fast growing division. A beat here, 7.876 billion for the quarter. Wearables, analysts were calling for something closer to 7.5. And services, again, another strong quarter here for Apple Watch and the other wearables in that division, and also for the services division, which includes Apple TV and music. Now, let's get through the Tim Cook comments. I just got off the phone with the CEO of Apple, the largest company in the world. And when it comes to the iPhone revenue miss in September, he says if you actually take out the quarter and split it up before mid-September and after, you saw customer demand was growing double digits. And so that's an enormous momentum, far beyond what we would have guessed or estimated. What about the 5G super cycle and the new iPhone 12? This is a big one for Apple, probably the most important iPhone launch in years. And he says, I can tell you that we're off to a great start, and I couldn't be happier with how they're going. I've only got 5 days of data. Now, as for the September quarter itself, he says we set an all-time record for the Mac, all-time record for services. We set a September quarter record for wearables. We set quarter records in Americas, Europe, Asia Pacific. India had a great September quarter, thanks in part to a strong reception to their new online store launch there. And Greater China, this is important because China represents around 20% of their sales, beat our internal expectations. Now, what about the wearables, the iPad? He says we're also very positive response to that September announcement of the Apple Watch Series 6. I see the iPad 8th generation, the iPad Air, and yes, we do tomorrow. We'll ship Apple One, which is that services bundle that you can buy one and get all of our services, and we're on target to ship Apple Fitness Plus before the end of the year. What about the U.S. economy broadly and stimulus? Tim Cook says, I continue to be optimistic here. I do think that a stimulus package is needed, and I would encourage everyone to work together on that. But I'm fairly confident that if that can occur, that we can continue this bounce back that we saw last quarter with that GDP number that we saw today was quite good. And finally, what about the work from home trend? He says, I think it's going to be a little while. It'll be balanced across the winter with people being assigned more. I think you can kind of see that in the cases now. And so I would encourage everybody to follow the health professionals' advice so that we can all work together to get rid of ourselves of this thing. Now, cash equivalents, guys, $192 billion in gross cash. I would say all in all, pretty strong quarter.
Interesting, as always, to get the insight there in that phone conversation, Susan, that you had with Tim Cook. What would you say about his tone, especially on the kind of the state of the world? How does Tim Cook see things right now? What did you take away from it?
Very optimistic. He encourages people to go out and vote and make your voice heard. Now, as I mentioned to you, maybe you saw a bit of a slight miss when it comes to the iPhone, but don't forget you had tough comparables from last year when the iPhone 11 was launched on September 20th. Now, yes, the 5G iPhone 12 is a little bit late, so comparables are a little bit tough, and that's why you saw a bit of a miss when it comes to the iPhone sales segment. But I would still say it was a very strong quarter. You saw that work from home trend. People stuck at home, they're buying Macs, they're listening to Apple Music, and they're watching Apple TV, and they're educating from home. And hence, you had the other hardware device picking up the slack from the iPhone.
Interesting. Good reporting, Susan, as always, on Apple.